Hello friends, today we are going to study how to find the factors of quadratic equation in shortcut way, you can say. Means we know splitting the middle term method. So let me solve this by splitting the middle term method, and I can directly tell you how I can get the answer. So let us start. So look here, this is our first question. So what we were doing for splitting the middle term? First we were multiplying the coefficient of x square and the last term 1 tens are 10. Then we were finding the factors of 10 in such a way that the multiplication remains the 10 and the addition should be the coefficient of x, that is 7. So easily we know that 5 2s are 10 multiplication, and 5 plus 2 will give you 7. And then what we were doing, x square plus 7x plus 10. Now we were splitting the middle term, x square plus 5x plus 2x. So I had split that middle term in 5x plus 2x and plus 10. Now we are taking common from this 2x, x plus 5, and then common from this 2 common, x plus 5, and then directly x plus 5 common from this 2 and the remaining x plus 2. These were the two factors. This way we were finding. But directly from this only I can give you the factors are x plus 5 and x plus 2. So for that next sum, directly I am going to do that, and then I will solve and show you the answer. So look here, this is our next equation, x square minus 4x minus 21. So directly I can tell you the answer will be x minus 7 and x plus 3. How? So let me solve this sum, and then directly I will tell you how we had done. First we have to multiply this 1 into minus 21. So minus 21, and the factors we have to find out in such a way that multiplication remains minus 21 and addition becomes minus 4. So we know this will become minus 7 4s are, that will be, sorry, minus 7 3s are. So minus 7 3s are minus 21, and minus 7 plus 3 will give you minus 4. So these were the two factors. Now we were splitting the middle term. Let me see if the answer is correct or not. And minus 7x plus 3x minus 21 common from this 2, common from this 2, x minus 7, and then plus 3 common, x minus 7. And yes, we were getting the correct answer, x minus 7 and x plus 3. So how I had find out that I'm going to do? Just whenever the coefficient of x square is 1, at that time only we can use this shortcut. What you have to do? You have to just put these two factors with x and write down. Look here, the factors were minus 7 and 3. So directly x minus 7 and x plus 3. These are the two factors. No need of doing this all thing. But when you can use this? When the coefficient of x square is 1. At that time only you can do this. Let me solve this last one, sorry. X square minus 11x plus 24. So 24's factor we have to find out. 8 3s are 24. But 8 3s are positive, 24 is there. So we need minus 8, minus 3 because we want minus 11. So the factors will be minus 8 and minus 3. So directly you can say x minus 8 and x minus 3. So these are the two factors which you need to find out. So this way we can directly find out. Actually you have to do this, but we can do that in mind. And from this only direct we have to put the answer. Look here 24 was there. So let me multiply and show you 24. We want plus 24, and the addition should be minus 11. So 8 3s are, but both should be negative. Minus 8 into minus 3 and minus 8 plus minus 3. So directly I have kept that 2 minus 8 and minus 3 with x, and I got the answer. So this way we can directly find out the factors of any quadratic equation. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more such videos. Thank you so much.